Welcome to another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I'm Paul, and today we're going to talk about making money doing small commercial accounts. And the money's not small, so I'll explain that to you. But I've got a wagon, and I've got my commercial vacuum, an Oreck Orbiter, a sprayer, and a water tank. And I'm going to go ahead and vacuum first, and then I'll go through the routine. But while I'm doing that, hopefully you could hear me, I want to kind of just reiterate that it's possible with an Oreck Orbiter to really make some really good money. You could make an annual living just with the Oreck, or you could do a really nice side hustle and improve your monetary position. And for example, what you want to do, if you do get a new Oreck Orbiter, I always recommend get one new one, then go to Goodwill or whatnot, or Craigslist, and try to find a backup in case something happens to your initial unit while you're on the job. You'll be able to finish the job. And even with VLM like this, if you're using the right stuff like Green Dragon, if your machine broke down, as long as you had a shop vac in your vehicle, you could shop vac the rest of it up. It'll dry down to a brittle crystal and be vacuumed out when it's dry. So no harm, no foul there. That's what makes it so nice to get into this style business with the proper chemicals and techniques. So anyway, like I was saying, what you would need to do is get your Oreck Orbiter. I think they run about $300 now online, and then you can always find a used one for about $50 to $70, $75, and you'll have that as a backup. And you'll want to get just a pump-up sprayer is fine. You'll see I have a 5-gallon or a 4-gallon jug and a Works sprayer. Even there, the sprayer is only $60 online, and the jug was $15, so it's not that much. And then a vacuum cleaner, and I was using the Power Speed Eureka. They're $49.99 at Home Depot or on Amazon, and it works just fine. I just recently upgraded to the Hush Tone that you're seeing me use here, and that's because I had an issue with my sanitaire, commercial sanitaire. So anyway, if you just have the basic items, and all those items, you see I got the wagon. It's a fold-up wagon. I got it at Walmart for $39. And if everything fits in the wagon to do the job, everything will fit in the trunk of a Toyota Camry or a small car. So you could start in your vehicle. Just make sure you clean your vehicle, maybe put a little Armor All on the wheels. They do sell magnets. If you want to get a magnet, go on eBay, find a cheap company that will create a magnet and just put whatever your name is, Paul's Professional Carpet Cleaning or Paul's Low Moisture Carpet Cleaning, and a phone number, and just put the magnets on the side of your car just so that you're labeled. And you can create an invoice or a work order. Like if you go back through my videos, I think I've got kind of a template that you could go off of. Very, very simple. And what you want to do is look for accounts like this, which are the high-rise buildings or high-rise apartments, and the ones where there's a maintenance person who does the maintenance there and a on-site property manager. And you'll want to talk to the property manager. By the way, that's not my little vacuum. This is my vacuum here. I was just showing, obviously, what they were using before I got here. There's the Oreck Orbiter, my work sprayer. I am using Glad pads. These all cotton pads work fantastic for absorbing and cleaning, and they move just really great. You can see that sucker spinning around and orbiting. Anyway, you want to get in with the manager, and you want to bid a price. And I'm not going to tell you what my prices are anymore, because I do have some competitors that watch my videos, and that's awesome. I just don't want them coming into my accounts and trying to undercut me. But anyway, for example, you want to get a minimum. So you might say, okay, the first 2 rooms will be, $100. And then each additional room after that, I'll do for $35 or $25. So give them an incentive to give you some volume. So that way you might come in and do a 2-bedroom, and then they have 4 units that are 1-bedroom, so you'll pick up another $100 there. And it doesn't take very long to recoup the amount of money that you invested to get into the business. I mean, all in all, if you think about it, 300, say 3, let's just say you buy an Oreck and you buy a backup Oreck and you spent $400. And then you get a $50 vacuum, and you get a $25 pump-up sprayer. You're at what, $475? And then you go to Encapstore.com, use my link in the description, and get you a 6-pound jar of Green Dragon. Safe on wool, safe on furniture, safe on all carpet. So that way it's foolproof. Just follow the instructions on it. It is a crystallizing and encapsulation product, which is what you want. And so that's another, say, $45 there. So what are we at? $500 and you're in business. I mean, very, very simple. And then, as time progresses, you'll build up your spotting kit, and you'll get, some magic bullets, some rust remover, different things. Or you could even use, hydrogen peroxide over the counter from Walmart, some 91% isopropyl alcohol for other stuff. You can get your rust remover there. You can build a nice little kit. I'd still use WD-40 to get gum out. And so over time, you're going to learn, watch videos, get better and better, build up your clientele. But this way, you don't have to worry about going out and trying to get residential accounts. And these accounts, they just leave the doors open. They shoot me a text and say, hey, I got 10 units today. These are the units that we need done. The doors are left open. I show up, I do the work. And by the way, as you get better at the carpet cleaning and the skill, then you can move over to like the engineered wood floors. And all these units, they have that wood flooring. So today I'm going to do all the carpets, and then guess what? I'm going to use the same style pad, and I'm going to use the Green Dragon and my sprayer, and I'm going to spray the areas in front of me, probably 4 foot at a time, and just lightly spray it, and then just extract it with the pad, and there you go. So I'm doing carpets and I'm doing the wood floors. Very, very simple. I do have a flat microfiber, almost looks like a Swiffer. I think I got it for $20 on Amazon, but sometimes depending on the amount of moisture on wood floors or engineered floors, you want to go back over it and just kind of dry it up. And I'm not opposed to even taking a little bit of Windex, get a bottle of Windex at the dollar store, and just, you've already cleaned it thoroughly with the Green Dragon, and now you just want a streak-free finish. So you just kind of mist a little bit of Windex, you take your microfiber pad, you can even use a washcloth, whatever, and just kind of go over it, shine it on the way out, dry it up, and you're good to go. And that's an additional fee. So when I'm doing carpet and wood, or the whole place, they know what the rate is. And then, of course, accounts like this, you want to set up a billing and basically just send them an invoice. And that's simple. You can get free invoices online, free templates. Just keep track of the invoices, maybe print yourself a copy and keep it in a drawer. And as they pay or mail you a check, pull your receipt out, process your check and then staple the check to the invoice so that you know that one's paid. You never want to be chasing down money that someone's already paid you. That's a surefire way to lose an account. These carpets, the moisture will create some bubbling, totally normal. It'll settle down as soon as it dries and the humidity levels go down. Here's the floors. I'll be scrubbing these up. Very simple process. Money, money, money. And you can see here, I'll show you, I'm on the second floor at the moment. This is kind of a courtyard area. And then I'm gonna be doing some of the units down there on that side. And when I'm over there, I probably won't show all the work, but I'll pan over here so you can see where I was. So, and you could see they're not filthy dirty. All right, here's the second unit that I'm in. I'll show you, that's where we were at on the other side. So, and then this one, you can see the parking's down there. It's nice to have a wagon and an Oreck and your vacuum so you could just come up, work room to room, do a great job for your client, and you'll have repeat business. And then like this account, I've been doing this one for a long time. I also do all the common areas, all the, hallways, the gym, the conference room, the theater, the fire pit area, outside. I just do it all. I do it the major areas every 6 months, and then whatever they need done throughout the month, they just text me and I go do it. I did have a fire restoration that I had to do, and of course that was a big job. And so these type of accounts are what you want. There's the wagon again. There's your boy Polly C in the mirror. You can't see me, but that's right. I'm telling you, you can get into business and you can make money. Now, I'm not a business coach. I'm not going to walk you hand by hand through it. So if you're looking for a coach or someone that's going to help you, once you get into it, I'm available for questioning, comments, some small emails, but I don't have a lot of time to put somebody through the ropes. Otherwise, I would offer franchise business opportunities, and that's not what I'm doing at the moment. Maybe in the future, who knows? So there you go. If you're interested in getting in business, you could see commercial accounts, carpets, wood floors, the money's there. Doesn't take a lot to get into it.